Check out how to accomplish hard reset by hardware keys. As a result, your Samsung Galaxy A12 will be as new and your MediaTek Helio P35 MT 6765 core will run faster. Hold down at the same time volume down plus power buttons until the screen light off. Then press and keep together power and volume up keys. But release the power key when Samsung logo appear. After that, go to the wipe data, factory reset. Use volume buttons to scroll and the power key to confirm that. Now you should choose Yes option to confirm. In the end, select Reboot System now.